Want to personalize your TikTok For You page with content about topics you're interested in, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to customize your TikTok For You feed with the Manage Topics settings. Now let's get started. To customize your TikTok For You page, first ensure you've updated your TikTok app to the newest available version. Then open TikTok and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Then tap Content Preferences. Select Manage Topics. Now use the sliders to indicate whether you want to see more or less of each of the listed topics, like creative arts, dance, fashion and beauty, food and drinks, health and fitness, and more. Move a slider to the right to indicate that you want to see more content about it, or to the left to see less. Leave it in the middle to keep the default setting for that topic. When you're finished changing these settings to your preferences, tap Save. Your For You page will then be updated based on your topic settings. Another way to influence what you see on your For You page is by searching for topics you want to see more content about. TikTok will remember what you've previously searched for and watched videos about, and will continue to show you more of what you engage with. This way, searching for specific topics you're interested in will help customize your For You feed. That's all it takes to customize your For You page on TikTok. Want to customize your Instagram algorithm? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.